everybody! It's 2 PM. 2016 is over, and for some that might be the best thing ever, because apparently a lot of people on the internet hated 2016. So naturally, I'll make a video of some New Year's resolutions for 2017. Now, people say that 2016 was a horrible year or was a shit year or those are the same things. Before I get to the New Year's resolutions, I want to take a small look back on my 2016. Now, my 2016 didn't suck all the way. It was terrible with, for example, the car accident and stuff. And that was a life-changing thing for me as well. But I don't still think that 2016 was that bad, because I mean, for me personally, it was a life-changing year. I finished high school, I started studying business in a university in Helsinki. You guys grew insanely much in the last year. I mean, I went from like having 80 subscribers to 6,500 and something, which is, I've talked about it before, it's crazy and it's so heartwarming, and over 500,000 views this year. It's just been great. I got into modeling, I finished the male top model school. I've been both very active and very lazy, and overall it's been an interesting year. I mean, I always think that years go by fast, but when I look at 2016, I sort of think that shit, everything has happened this year. I feel like 2016 has gone for like 3 years or so, which, I don't know, could be just me. Who knows? But 2016 was an interesting year. 2016, we're doing This Can Get You More Views Than I'll Ever Have. Now, one thing that's kind of a shame for us YouTube creators, I'm sure you've seen a lot of your favorite creators talk about this as well. The algorithm on YouTube has changed, and it favors these sort of videos. You know the video where you heat up a sword or a knife and you cut through shit? Yeah, those kind of videos get millions and millions of views, whereas the algorithm changed that us like daily creators and creative creators, if so to speak, get a lot less views and a lot less in the suggested videos. Long story short, the system favors likes over view time, and it's interesting. I also have to comment on this. I hope that YouTube knows what it's doing and it's for the best, because of course we want to continue creating and stuff. Let's forget that year now and let's talk about 2017. 2017 for me is going to be kind of a big year as well, because for the non-Finnish viewers, how should I explain this? Wait a second. Värnplikt på engelska. Basically, the guys in Finland have a compulsory military service, which means that we have to serve in the Finnish army for either 6 months, 9 months, or 11 months, and everyone gets called in, and you know, you get to choose your time when you go in. So I am gonna go in this summer, which kind of brings me to the topic that I'm a bit worried on how I'm gonna be able to create stuff while being there. So I was thinking I should pre-record some videos and then just upload them sort of with a consecutive pattern, or let's say every 2-3 weeks, because I can't film a lot there, and that's gonna be a problem for me. But I'm gonna sort that out, and that's my problem. I mean, I'm gonna fix that. There's gotta be a way. As for videos for resolution, 2016 was very busy for me. I mean, everything with studying a new school and having to study on a university level is a different thing from what I've previously had to deal with. And I can't lie, it's taken a lot of my time. I've not been able to make as many videos as I wanted to, because video making is still my passion, but it's impossible to fully commit to studying business and stuff that's completely irrelevant for this, and continuing making videos of a good quality on a sort of weekly basis. You guys know I prefer quality over quantity. Perkele saatana! Perkele! Yeah. But I feel like now that it's sort of settled with the new studies and stuff, I think I'm ready to commit to making at least a video a week. I think it's been 18 days or 19 days since my last video, which by the way took a lot of my time, the Elvis one. I'm really happy with that. But nevertheless, I want to keep you updated, and I want you subscribers to be a part of my life and still know what's going on in my life, and I feel like I haven't fully been able to show you guys that, and that has to change. So from 2017, I've already got like 5 videos listed that I should do. Let's just hope that I can keep up with them. I promise you, it's gonna be a good year. By the way, I just come home from South Africa. I don't know if you can see, I am not as white as the shirt, but you know, I kind of burnt myself pretty badly, which you'll see in the vlog. I'm finishing up the vlogs right now. I think I'm gonna do them in some parts because I filmed really much, and I want to sort of, I want to make every video. I don't want to make one 25-minute long video because it would get boring. I want to make some like 5 to 7 to 9 to 12-minute long videos where I sort of really give you the best of what I experienced. It was a fantastic trip. So stay tuned for that. For another resolution, I made a commitment that I'll try to go to the gym at least 4 times a week. I used to do that back when this picture was taken. I was in the best shape of my life. It was for a calendar we had at high school where the guys would sort of take those kind of pictures and we would sell it as a calendar. And that was the best shape I've been ever. And right now I can say that I'm not in the same shape, but I want to be, partially because you feel so much better and partially because I'm gonna have some modeling jobs during the spring and I can't look like I look now for those pictures and those modeling gigs. Another resolution for me, I mean, sometimes you can see, okay, now I make my bed for the YouTube videos and I look that it's not that messy in my room, but sometimes I'm a bit lazy, you know that, and that's gonna change. I'm gonna keep my room tidy as hell. I'm gonna be organized and stuff. Do you know why though? It is because as of this day, I'm not gonna live here anymore. I'm moving in with two of my best friends and it's just gonna be huge. It's gonna be huge! Today I think we're moving some of the stuff. I'm not gonna move my bed yet because there were some delays, but it's gonna be so exciting and I'll make a new house tour video and stuff. I'm moving in because where I live now, it takes an hour for me to get to school and you know that takes 2 hours of my time every day. Where I'm gonna live now, it will only take 9 minutes to get to school or something like that, which is gonna be like, all in all, I want to stay, I want to be a positive person in 2017. I mean, there's a lot of negativity going on in the world, some horrible news almost on a daily basis, and I think that it's important for, you know, for the little guys, for the people to stay as positive as they can throughout these times. And I really want to be, as positive as I can be, long story short. All in all, I want to be a sort of organized and outgoing person. But guys, 2017 is gonna be a good year. That's what I'm trying to say. Sincerely, trying to end this video in some logical way. Enough of me rambling. I sincerely hope that you had a great new year, you didn't feel that bad in the morning the day after, and that you will have an awesome year, whether you start a new school, you start a new job, you start whatever. I hope that you have the best year yet, and let's make it even better than 2016 was. As always, I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.